Hi Michelle. I'm giving this a try. It's my new camera and trying to get on your new property here. I can't quite make it. The road's too tough. I was looking at too many gullies I couldn't see and get stuck in. So here's your property. It's up the hill there, kind of looking around. And I'm going to make a quick sweep around to show you what I can of the views. Of course, yours are a little better than this because I can't get quite to yours. Hope you're having a Merry Christmas. What a Christmas present for your daughter and family. Ho, ho, ho. Say Merry Christmas, Abby. Abby. There she says it. I can tell. Bye.